quiz game. First question. Which is the largest key on the computer keyboard? Option A, enter. Option B, spacebar. Option C, backspace. Option D, number key. The answer is option B, spacebar. Second question. If you visit the Tirupati temple, which state would you be in? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Karnataka. The answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Third question. Who composed the bhajan Phag Ghundro band Mere Nach Re? Option A, Mirabai. Option B, Tulsidas. Option C, Surdas. Option D, Kabir. The answer is option A, Mirabai. Fourth question. Which angle is formed by the hour and minute hands of the clock when it is exactly 3 o'clock? Option A, 90 degrees. Option B, 45 degrees. Option C, 35 degrees. Option D, 180 degrees. The answer is option A, 90 degrees. Fifth question. What name is given to the sign of zodiac usually represented by a lion? Option A, Leo. Option B, Taurus. Option C, Gemini. Option D, Capricorn. The answer is option A, Leo. Sixth question. Which Asian game gold medalist played Bhima in the TV serial Mahabharata? Option A, Bhim Singh. Option B, Praveen Kumar. Option C, Dara Singh. Option D, Parbat Singh. Answer is option B, Praveen Kumar. Seventh question. What was the first name of wife of the last victory of India? Option A, Diana. Option B, Sarah. Option C, Elizabeth. Option D, Edwina. The answer is option D, Edwina. Eighth question. Which of these do not reproduce by laying eggs? Option A, whales. Option B, hens. Option C, crocodiles. Option D, snakes. The answer is whales. Ninth question. The rivers Brahmaputra and Suljet originates near which sources in the upper Himalayas? Option A, Gangotri. Option B, Siachen. Option C, Manasa Sarovar. Option D, Yamunotri. The answer is option C, Manasa Sarovar.